Let's begin with the crust of the cheesecake. First of all, take 1 packet of Parle-G, which is about 150 grams, and grind it coarsely. To the Parle-G crumbs, add 1/3 cup powdered sugar and 1/3 cup melted butter. Now mix this properly with a fork. This crumb mixture will serve as the crust for our cheesecake. Now line the baking pan with butter paper and grease it with butter. Now add the crumb mixture into the pan and press it down evenly. Now press it down. I like to use the base of a cup to press this mixture down. This makes it very even. Once you're done with the crust, keep it aside. Now let's move on to the main batter of the cheesecake. In a bowl, mix 1/4 cup of cornstarch or corn flour with 1/4 cup of water. Mix it with a fork. Once it's mixed, set it aside. Add half cup full cream. Now whip the cream either using a handheld whisk or using an electric mixer. I'm using a whisk to whisk it until I get stiff peaks. Now finally the whipped cream is done. Now we will add 2.5 cups of cream cheese. I have already made a recipe of homemade cream cheese, so please refer to my channel for that. Add 3/4 cups of sugar. Mix this all up. Now add 1 can of condensed milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. And before you add the cornstarch and water mixture, just mix it up again. Then add it. Mix this all very properly using a whisk. Now also add in the whisked sour cream. Whisk the mixture for at least 2 minutes. Once our mixture is ready, pour it in the pan over the crust. Bake it in a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. After you've baked it for 40 minutes, let it sit in the oven for another 40 minutes and the cheesecake is ready. सीटी पकानी था।